So here's our Easter lamb. This is about an hour and a half, 2 hours in, and we're gonna do a little bit of seasoning.
Us Greeks, we love our lamb, especially on Easter. Here you're gonna see how to cook a lamb or how to roast lamb, courtesy of my cousin. We call him medium.
In our seasoning, we've got little pepper, salt, and oregano. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put it on a little bit and graze it a little bit. And also what we do is we take 1/3 of olive oil and 2/3 of lemon juice, and we spray it on. Now you notice inside there is the chest, which is filled with garlic, salt, pepper, oregano, and lemons inside. And in the hind, we have it stuffed there as well, with the chest sealed so that everything steams. So we're gonna spray a little bit on it, just like that, to keep it nice and juicy. So we spray it a little bit to keep it tender and keep it moist. Once you do that, then you come with your spices, grab a little bit from the bowl, and you just sprinkle it on all over. Just like that, all over, and you keep it on just like that. One more important detail, if you notice, there's 2 piles of charcoal, one in the front, right where the shoulder is, and one where most of the meat is, which is the hind. That's where all the meat is. So it's important that you keep it more cooking on that side, so that you have the center, which is already hot enough that doesn't burn, and you keep cooking the most important part, which is where it has all the meat on the shoulders and the hind, which is the legs. Just added some new coals to keep the temperature nice and hot, as this lamb is now about 2.5 hours in. We're 3 hours in, and I just checked it, shoulder, there's no juices, no blood coming out. Hind end, I checked it, and it's still some blood that comes out, so that means it's not ready. All in all, 3 hours in. Here you go. Add a little bit more of the lemon and olive oil. Shake it up real nice and give it a nice spray. Just give that nice color and keep it juicy. There we go. Spray it all the way down. Get the hind. Give it a nice spray. Keep it nice and juicy. As you can see, the nice color golden brown is coming.
Well, as a recap, he's spraying it down with a mixture of lemon juice and olive oil to keep it nice and juicy and moist and add some more flavor. And he's also seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano, sprinkled all over that lamb and also stuffed inside the cavity. Crucial to spray that lamb down with that lemon juice and olive oil to keep it moist, juicy, and add loads of flavor.
4 hours, and our lamb is officially done. Nice and tender.